Hello guys, in the previous video we learned about the user input command which can take input from the user, or in this case you. But before I tell you today's command, I want to let you know that you can add more to this line, so you can duplicate it. As you can see, VS Code is giving me a suggestion, so I can press tab to accept. So as you can see, this time we wrote user input 2. These have to be different, otherwise they'll get mixed up. Then equals input, and then this time it's password. So as you can see, when we run it, then it will ask for our username. First we can write anything like admin, and then our password, which we can write something like 1234. Now right now it's boring since it doesn't do anything. That's when we can write the if command. So if, as you can see, VS Code is giving me a suggestion, that's why I use it. So if user input 1 equals admin and user input 2 equals password 123, print access granted, else print access denied. This is why I use VS Code. It made writing that so easy. So what this will do is, if user input 1, or our username is admin, and user input 2 is which is password 123, then it will print access granted. Otherwise it will print access denied. Now let's check it out. As you can see, first it asks us for our username. So first I just type something like Jeff, and then password like 1234. As you can see, print access denied. But if we type something like admin and then password 123, then it will print access granted. Bye.